And action!
Hi people, it's Aima Baig and right now we are at the set of this new music video that is coming out, and the location is Fakir Khana. I honestly did not expected to enjoy this whole scenario in this weather, but the team is so hardworking, so cooperative, so much fun that I'm actually having a lot of fun, and I'm excited for this video to come out. And the production that I'm working with is Next Level Entertainment and Creator One Shot. They're an amazing team. I had a lot of fun. I cannot wait to watch it myself properly. And my makeup is done by Ayan from Nabila's, and this beautiful dress that I'm wearing right now is by Fahad Hussain, one of my favorite designers. And it's just so much going on in this video, and I've never done it before, so it's gonna be new for me and as well as for the audience. Don't miss out to watch it, and let's create.